your leg for me. From here, you can actually get all the movements that you want, okay? Everything that you need from the hip itself. Add in your METs and things like that. Just kick straight for me. Less. There. And hold and wait. And actually I quite use this quite a lot as well in between, just to give me a breather. Okay, in between having to move such a large joint. Okay, so then you can move depending on how much flexibility that they have. Again, from here, can you just push up for me? Hold, relax, and then you can start to move them wherever you think that they need to go. And I then try and shorten the movement to try and actually get movement into that hip. And I'm trying to improve the dysfunctional movement, okay? But I always start with generic movement that just gets that joint moving, especially with the hip.